In this video, I'm going to walk you through what's included in our Florence and Jack branding kit, which was created specifically for photographers and other visual creatives. Although if it appeals to you and the vibe appeals to you and your business, then definitely reach out because it is flexible and can be used by many other industries as well. So our branding kits at Alana Jade Studio are semi-custom branding kits. What that means is that some elements of the kit are customizable, while others are fixed and not customizable. This is what allows us to deliver your full comprehensive brand within 1 week and at such an affordable price. So let's jump in and have a look at what's included in this kit. Okay, so first of all, you get a detailed branding questionnaire for you to fill out, and this will help us get on the same page, understand your business, your audience, and your creative vision to ensure that when we customize the kit for you, we get it on point and it's reflective and unique to your business. You also receive primary and secondary logos with your business name added. So let's have a look at what those logos are. So that's these ones here. You get a stacked version and a horizontal version. You'll get these in all of your colors for your custom colors, which we'll talk about in a moment. And then you can use these across your website and your other marketing collateral and business materials. This logo is one of the fixed elements in the kit. So what that means is we'll add your business name to the logo, but that's all that changes. The typography that you're seeing here is the style that will be used. And as I said, only your business name will be added. Here we will add the name of your business, and then underneath here you have the option to, depending on the type of business that you have. So for example, this is photography. This could say photo and film. It could say pottery. It could say, if you're, say, a web designer or a branding studio, it could say studio under here. So both these elements will be populated with your business name and the type of business that you have. Or of course, you could just leave this off if you wanted to as well. But otherwise, the typography that you see here is set and will remain the same. So as I said, both in stacked and horizontal version. You also receive 4 brand marks with your business name and initials added. So let's go and have a look at what those are. This is the first very simplistic, minimal brand mark here, which will simply have your business initials added. And otherwise the font remains and style remains the same. The 3 other brand marks that you'll receive are these ones here, these vintage style stamp marks, circular brand marks. And they will also look exactly as you're seeing them here. The only thing that will change here is your business name and your business initials in this middle one here. Otherwise, they'll remain exactly as they are, and you'll receive them in all the colors of your color palette as well. You'll receive all of these brand marks in your kit, but then you can choose which ones you want to use on your website or in your other marketing collateral. And that's something that we will decide further down the track when we get into building your website, which ones we use there. But you will receive all of these as part of the kit. Okay, this is now where we get down more into the custom elements of the branding kit. So we'll select a custom color palette for you. This will be something that we do based on the questionnaire that you have filled out, and we'll also select font pairings for you as well. For a website, as a bare minimum, you need to have color palette and font pairing. So these are essential for your website, but of course, these are then translatable across all other marketing elements and collateral as well. You also receive 10 Canva social media templates, and they will be provided to you with the color palette and with your color palette and font pairing as well. Let's have a look at those. So this is what the Canva social media templates look like. You'll receive 5 in squares and 5 in Instagram story size or Instagram reel size templates. So you can see here we've got templates for client testimonials, showcasing your brand and photography or your other visual work, showcasing particular projects, and also sharing articles that you have published on your journal or in your blog. Finally, at the end, after you've signed off on your brand kit, you'll receive a mini branding style guide and a brand handover document, which will step you through how to start applying your new brand across your business. So that's a Florence and Jack branding kit. If you need more information, you can find out more over on my website at alanajadestudio.com.